how to integrate Stripe when you have Click Digim white label. It's pretty much simple, way more simple than any other apps. When you get and buy Click Digim white labels, you will get an admin panel like this, and here you can see how many peoples and all the informations. It will be also personalized based on your business, local business, small business, enterprise, or whatever it is. And you need to click on Stripe integrations. We are hiding all the sensitive informations for the security purpose. You will also get a hide and conceal options, and there is a wave of secrets for Enoden and Meg.com or Zapiers to do your self customizations for make sure the payment is done 100%. There is 100% accuracy. There is no way to hack or steal your money by paying you. There is a sandbox, also live productions. So what you need to do, when you have a Stripe verified account, you can go to the settings, create a publishable keys, secret keys. I'm not going to show you how to get that. There's plenty of videos on YouTube. You can take any of those and copy and paste over here. And after pasting, you can try both just in case if you want to test your payment systems over here, that is the payment is working or not. And that will be also used in any products, whether it's a blog and any others you saw before. And right after that, you need to click on Save Stripe Settings, and when it will say Stripe Settings saved successfully, and you can try test, live production both. If the test is successful by paying, if you ever use Stripe in your apps, you know how to test it. You provide all the information, then you can add to carts, use a dummy carts, and test if the payment is successfully done, means live production will be also done. So after pasting all this information, you save the Stripe settings and you're done. You're ready to go. And any client pay you, the client will get an invoice. You will also get an invoice copy. An invoice is billed under by following US policy, UK or Australia policy. They can organize their IRS tax and all those things. So nothing need to be worried about. Have a great day and stay safe.